Gather the arm openings with a big machine stitch. Do the same with the hemline. Use a long straight stitch and do not secure the ends. Pull the thread to gather the fabric. Slide the sleeve cuffs onto the lower sleeve edges, right sides together. You either use sleeve cuffs that are pre-done or you sew the cuff together at the small edge. Match the lower sleeve edge and sew the sleeve cuff in place. Turn out, fold the cuff at the fold line to the inside. The seam allowance is folded inside the cuff. Now baste the cuff in place. Using a stretch stitch of your machine, sew along the former seam line and secure the cuff on the inside. This way it won't be bulky. Remove the basting threads. Your sleeve cuff is now finished. Onto the hemline. That is done in the same way. First, gather the lower edge of the pullover. Place the cuff right sides together on the pullover. Fold to the inside and baste in place. Make sure that the seam allowance is folded inside the cuff. Sew with a stretch stitch of your machine exactly in the ditch of your former seam. Last but not least, we will secure the neck facing at 2 or 3 points at the seam allowance of your shoulder seam to keep it in place. And now you are all finished. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a lot of wear out of this cute piece. Check out our other videos on YouTube and our shop sistermagpatterns.com.